Hi everyone, it's Morgyn from For Love of Paper, and I am here with a quick little Traveller's Notebook scrapbooking spread for you. I am using the summer kit from Scrapping Fun Kits. This is a specially designed Traveller's Notebook kit, so all the papers are cut to standard size and then embellishments and whatnot coordinated with that. I am scrapping a photo of my two little munchkins who were having a paddle in the pool the other day. It was super duper hot. I think it got to 41, 42 degrees here where we live. And in the afternoon, when it had cooled down a little and the shade was over part of our house, we got the pool out, the little paddling pool, and filled it up for the boys because they're both just absolute water babies and love being in the pool and the water. So yeah, and I snapped this little photo of them both smiling away, being happy. So I thought that fitted nicely with this summer themed kit, because isn't swimming just the epitome of summer, really? Well, it is here in Australia, and we don't have a pool and we don't live close to the beach either, so this is the best that we can do. So that's kind of what's going on in this picture. The first thing that I did was pulled out the green piece of paper with the white polka dots on it, as the green matches our little paddling pool perfectly. Then I got the orangey yellow paint. It's a Dilutions paint. It's called something Sunshine. I can't remember, but it's Sunshine something or other. And I just did a little brush across the page with that one, just to give a bit of contrast to the green. And then I started with my embellishments. So I pulled a piece of this washi tape out. It's got yellow flowers and got bits of, like, it's kind of like a really dark grey watercolor. That's the word I'm looking for. Little pattern on there. And then I cut out this piece. What does this piece say? Oh, I can't remember. Summer. It's all about summer. I can't remember. I'm sorry. But I trimmed that out, and it says what a great day. Sorry, there we go. So yeah, I cut out that little bit, and I do end up cutting the edges of the banner part off as well. And then this piece of, this little journaling card, I decided to use to back my photo on, and I didn't need the little pair of jandals, thongs, flip-flops, whatever you call them, whatever country you're from. So I trimmed it down a little bit to add my photo on there, and then that also starts the beginning of my journaling, the word summer. So that suited just nicely there. Oh, that photo is so cute. Roman's smiling, the biggest smile in that photo, and it just makes me smile every time I see it. I actually saved it as the background on my phone at the moment so I can see it. I only took it, what day are we, Thursday? No, well, this will be coming up on Thursday, and I only took it on Monday, so it's still new and cute. And that's when I trimmed that off and made that little embellishment cluster over to that side. Stick my photo down, and then I work on, what do I work on next? I think I work on my journaling. That's right. There wasn't quite enough paint off to the side, so I added a smidge more there. That was what was left on my brush. And this layer, I think it took me 24 minutes to complete all up, so it was super duper quick. The kits are just really well put together. Everything sort of coordinates and the colors match, but not too matchy, which is just lovely. And the papers are cut to size, so that makes it super duper easy. You don't have to fiddle around doing that. And yeah, because this was a summer themed kit, all the embellishments and ephemera stickers, whatnot, they just go together. Makes it so simple. I'll leave a link down below where you can grab yourself one of the kits. I don't know if they're up in the store just yet. I think they will be up in the next day or two if they're not there yet, so just keep an eye out for that. I used these alpha stickers which also came in the kit. They're from Remarks, which is American Crafts, and I spell out the title. I do, as you can see, this is sped up even more because you don't need to see me putting down all the letters, but I spell out one fish, two fish, and then I do a little bit later add red fish, blue fish in some different alphas, which is a book by Dr. Seuss. And my two little boys, as I said before, are absolute little fish. They love being in the water, they love swimming and splashing, and they're total water babies. And I think only one of them is a water sign. Surprising, because they both love it. And I thought that was a perfect title for this photo, and also because we love reading Dr. Seuss books. We've got, I think, most of the books and we've got this one, so it just fits our family just nicely. And this is where I went and got some. These are alphas from my stash, and that little set that you can just see at the bottom there, it's got the red and the blue. I don't know where it was from. I've cut it out of a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, so I'm not sure what brand it was, but how perfect. Red and blue stickers, and I had the right letters there. It was meant to be for this layout, I think. And that's when I did the red fish, blue fish, and I think I call it done. As you see, I did do my journaling over the side. I just wrote that my boys love swimming, and we love having a little paddling pool up for them, and I wish we could have a real full-size pool for them, but it just costs a bit too much money, unfortunately, and we don't have quite enough space for a decent pool. Finishing off with some washi tape and stuff. 2 bits of washi tape I add up in the top corner, the floral piece to match the other side, and also the little word Monday, which came from the Basics kit, which is in the store available. And that's this layout done, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go and grab yourself a kit if you don't want to miss these, and I will catch you next time. Bye.